when Herod was dead, behold, an angel of the Lord appeared in a dream to Joseph in Egypt, saying, "Rise and take the young child and his mother and go into the land of Israel, for they are dead which sought the young child's life." And he rose and took the young child and his mother and came into the land of Israel. But when he heard that Archelaus did reign in Judea in the room of his father Herod, he was afraid to go thither. Notwithstanding being warned of God in a dream, he turned aside into the parts of Galilee. And he came and dwelt in the city called Nazareth, that it might be fulfilled which was spoken by the prophets, he shall be called a Nazarene. He shall